Hey, this is Eddie Hale, and a student asked me how to make a multiple page website for our final project, and so I'm going to slap together a demonstration. Heavy on the slap together. I've got a sort of half-finished website here. This is it. It's got some information. You can tell this is where I stopped designing it, but it's a long page of information, and I'm pretending that I want to cut it up into 4-ish pages. 5 pages if you count the home page. So I have in my root folder just one page, the index page, and an images folder and a style CSS. I have opened this site in brackets, and here it is. Here are my links. They're inside of a nav, and it's an unordered list, and then there are Ahrefs in here, and what I've done is I've typed in the names of the pages that don't exist yet. So here's Deals HTML, Classes HTML, Trainers HTML, and Contact HTML. But again, if you look at my root folder, they're not there. All there is the index HTML, and that link is right here. All right, so what you would do next is go into the Finder on a Mac. You'd go to Windows Explorer or something on a Windows machine and right-click on this index, and somewhere will be the option for duplicate. So I'll duplicate that page and it'll make index copy. And then I'll change the name of that. On a Mac, if I click that name, it lights up so I can change the name of it, and I can type in Deals. So Deals HTML now exists. So this link will work, Deals. But it will go to a page that looks exactly like the index page. Let's make the rest of the pages. What are they? Classes, Trainers, Contact. I'm going to take the index and I'm going to right click it and do duplicate. If on a Mac, if you tap the return key, it also lights up. Classes, and then I'll duplicate index again, hit return so it lights up. Trainers, and then the next one is Contact. If you really want to be cool, Command D on a Mac, I bet it's Control D on a Windows machine, also duplicates that, and then I can hit return and change the name of that one to Contact. Classes, Contact, Deals, Trainers, and Index. Classes, Contact, Trainers, Deals, Index. So I have all the pages represented. Gonna be weird though, because if I go and test those out, I should save this first. Command S. I'm gonna go and test it out, and when I go to Deals, it goes to Deals, but it has the same info on it. You can't tell. So what I need to do now is go in. All those pages show up here. In the index file, I'll find this section about Deals, and I will copy and paste that. Well, here's Meet Our Trainers. I'm going to start there. I'm going to highlight Meet Our Trainers, leading by example. Here are my trainer bios. Trainer bios stop right here, and I will cut that. Cut. That moves it into the pasteboard. Now I can go to Trainers. Okay, this is weird. I'm on the Trainers page now, but it looks exactly like the index page. So I'm going to highlight everything all the way down. I started just below the main tag. I'm going to highlight everything all the way down to the main tag again on the bottom, the closing main tag. There it is. I'm going to replace all this stuff, paste, with just the info about trainers. Trainers, Meet Our Trainers. I'm going to save this page, Command S. Let's test that one out. I'm going to go back to Chrome and refresh, and now when I click on Trainers, it goes to a page that says Meet Our Trainers on the top. And there are my trainer bios. If I go to Deals, it still looks like the index page, so let's copy the Deals section onto the Deals page next. I have to go back to Index now. So Index here has a section about no contracts, seriously. I'm going to copy all that, get the promo. Did I start with that div tag? Yeah, that'll work. So this is the section all about Deals. Cut that, go to the Deals page, and again I have to highlight everything inside the main tags. So I'll start here to the bottom of this main tag, stop right there, and paste. And that pasted text will replace everything in my main tag. I'm going to save that, Command S. I'm going to go back to Index, and I'm going to copy or cut the section on classes. So this is where classes start. And there's where they end. High intensity interval training. Cut that. Go to the classes page. Classes right here over on the left, and highlight everything inside the main tag. Highlight everything inside the main tag. Paste the classes over the top of it. Command S to save that. And then the last thing is contact. I really probably would have contact info on every page, but I could grab the address here and copy that. I'm going to copy that this time and go to the contact page. So remember, this is a lesson more about how to make multiple pages than it is about my design, right? Can we all agree to that? I very carefully pasted this so that it left the H1 in there, so I can highlight this H1. It's still there from the index page, and I can call this contact. If I wanted to be detailed, I would go into each page and make sure that the first headline was an H1 instead of an H2 like it is. But let's see this. I'm going to save, and I'm going to save all, so it saves all those pages to be sure. And then I'll go out here and I'll refresh. And memberships is the home page in my design. Deals are actually the membership options, but too bad. You get the picture. Classes is about the classes, yoga, Zumba, dance. Trainers is going to be about my trainers, Pam Z. And contact will just be the address and a contact headline. Try not to notice that my footer is ugly, but do remember the steps in that process. The steps were, actually I would design a beautiful index page, and then I would go into the Finder or Windows Explorer, whatever you call that, and I would duplicate the index page. Duplicate? I'm not going to now, but I duplicate that. Then you change the name of it to what you want all your pages to be named. And either before or after, you have to go into the navigation and tell all your links where those new pages are. Index, deals, HTML. And then you have to copy and paste the right info into each of those pages. And then after that, or before that, either one, I want you to make the navigation beautiful. So I have that done already. I've got it commented out. I actually stole this CSS from one of my students, and if she watches this video, she'll recognize it. I don't think she'll mind. So there's a video for that I can share with you that will style your navigation so it looks prettier than an unordered list. And it'll change for the mobile view, and I just realized there are bullets there. I don't care. I can get rid of those with a list style type none. I have that style named incorrectly. There you go. Gone. Good luck. Contact me if you have questions. Bye.